Ma'am Jervil, ang petsang nababanggit sa balita, July 6 ang start ng trial. Ng court, no, to function nga para ho sa mismong pagdinig na ito. Yun ho ba, formal na ba yun na naihayag? Yan ba formal na o sabi lang po sa mga interview? Meron ho ba kayong formal notice na?
Manong Ted, yan ang nakakalungkot, no? Kasi itong mga dates na to ay sa media namin naririnig. And to this date, wala po kaming official notice.
Mhm.
In as far as the intended date for filing of pretrial brief on June 15
Mhm.
and the first date of trial on July 6 are concerned. Wala po kaming nare-receive pa na official notice galing sa impeachment court. As a matter of fact, we're looking forward na sana yung lumabas sa media na dates ay magkaroon na rin ng corresponding official notice to the House of Representatives, coming of course from the impeachment court.
There's a turmoil going on, ano, in the upper chamber. Um, ano ito, ma'am? You can just wait and see sa ngayon. Paano ho kaya? Kasi I'm sure kayo din po, may kanya-kanya ho kayong mga obligasyon sa inyong mga distrito. Paano po ito?
Well, well, we're still positive that this will proceed really on the dates as shown in the news report, no?
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
And if indeed madi-delay, perhaps that is the time when we will be filing the necessary motion in the impeachment court to actually set the date for these processes, no? Right now, wala pa namang delay
Okay.
na maiko-consider, Manong Ted,
Okay.
because yun namang nakita natin sa media, which
Mm.
actually came from the Senate daw,
Mm.
is June 15 for the filing of pretrial brief
Mm-hmm.
and July 6 for the start of the trial. And our preparation is also aligned to the dates that we're
Opo.
seeing from the news report, no?
Opo.
Medyo nakakaligaw-gaw lang, sabi ng taga Batangas, sapagkat these are important dates na sana meron ng official notice ang
Okay.
impeachment court.
Ma'am, sigurado po ako na inyo na pong pinag-aralan ang rules ng Senado sa impeachment. Sine die adjournment kayo bukas, di ba, ma'am?
That's correct.
Yes, okay. Sine die. Ma'am, yun bang kapag ba hindi na pag-usapan yung trial na yan, I'm sorry, yun ho bang pag-set ng trial date, lahat ng mga gagawin sa impeachment, pag-uusapan ba yan sa plenary ng Senado o dapat today or tomorrow mag-convince sila muna bilang court para pag-usapan yan? Ano bang rules?
Well, from our end, Manong Ted, no, we really make a distinction between impeachment process and legislative process. That has been our stand ever since. That while legislative process is bound by rules on breaks, like sine die, no, iba pagdating sa impeachment process, no? Impeachment process does not make mention about the legislative breaks, which for me means that we will proceed regardless of these legislative recesses.
Opo. Pero yung pag-convene ng court, must that be discussed in plenary on a regular session day or they have first to convene na naman into an impeachment court wearing their robes, etc. para sabihin na magko-convene July, etc. etc. Ano ho ba? Meron ba distinction yon?
Manong Ted, ang understanding ko, nag-convene na sila eh.
Yes.
No?
Oo.
That is why they were able to issue the writ of summons. That is why also nakapag-oath ang mga senator judges. So, what will be happening next are just continuation of the impeachment court which they convened already.
So meaning, paano po yung discussion kung kailan magsisimula yung trial, kailan yung June 15 na unang sinasabi po na submission po ng mga brief ninyo, that must be formalized through plenary session of the Senate?
Perhaps these are administrative matters, no?
Mhm.
Na since may inappoint na silang clerk of court,
Mm.
whom I believe is also the Secretary General, si Attorney Joel, kung
Aha.
tama ang recollection ko.
Aha.
Itong mga dates na to, personal opinion ko lang, are administrative matters
Okay.
which can actually be acted on by the clerk of court by
Mhm.
way of issuing the official notices
Okay.
to the parties concerned, no? So if our apprehension is about convening the impeachment court just for the purpose of issuing the notice,
Mhm.
I don't think that that will be necessary
Okay.
because this is merely administrative matter.
How about the setting of the date of the trial, like July 6? Must that be discussed and voted upon in plenary o kaya na po yan ang binabanggit po ninyo na clerk of court?
Manong Ted, the initial date that I saw from the list is June 15, no? That is filing of pre-trial brief. And then June 18, start daw ng pre-trial conference.
Okay.
Dito sa pre-trial conference, Manong Ted, pinag-uusapan din dyan yung mga trial dates, no?
Okay.
So, we are hoping na matuloy itong pre-trial conference so we can formally set as well the dates of our trial, including the July 6, which is the initial trial date.
Okay.
Mga kapatid, patuloy po kayong tumutok sa 105.9 True FM para sa totoong balita, impormasyon, music and entertainment. Mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel at podcast at sundan nyo kami sa Facebook, Instagram, X at TikTok sa True Network PH. Bisitahin din po ang aming official website, truefm.ph. At panoorin din kami sa True TV Signal, Channel 19. Kami po ang 105.9 True FM. Laging true sa'yo, kapatid.